Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Secrets Divine, located right in the heart of the hotel zone here on Cancun Beach. You get some of the most beautiful views of anywhere in all of Cancun. Now currently I'm in a Governor Suite. This is a preferred club room, so you're going to get all of the preferred club amenities in addition to this beautiful suite. So just past the entry foyer, you're gonna have a very large dining table here. So right now you see that you have chairs on this side, you've got bench seating over here. So if you're utilizing this room for different configurations, this could be perfect, whether you want room service in here, or maybe you're having some friends over, or part of the wedding party as well. This is a great option. So just over to the left, you're gonna have your wet bar area. So you've got your sink here, an espresso maker. It comes with the pods, of course, and they'll replace those as often as you like throughout. You've got a few complimentary snacks under here. And then over on the right-hand side, you're gonna have your mini fridge just under here. This is your fully stocked mini bar, and they'll replenish it as often as you like throughout your stay. Now you can see that here we are in the living room. You've got your large flat panel TV right here, a small writing desk, and a little bit of storage over there. On the other side, you're gonna have the couch. So once again, depending on how you wanna utilize this configuration, it's really nice to have this kind of space in between. A lot of times we get adult families traveling together, and this is one of those nice meeting areas. Right here, you're gonna have a table, of course, a great place for a coffee or that room service. Now, what makes this particular suite very unique here at the Vine is that you have two full bedrooms. So the master suites are fantastic room options. You can actually get a third adult in there on a couch bed, but this is the variety you look to if you're looking for multiple bedrooms, in addition to the presidential suite. So right here, you have two large queen-size beds. Right next to the beds on the lamp, you do have two plugs right here. I always bring a USB splitter, that way I can plug it in and charge multiple items. And then you also have your lighting controls just behind as well. I wanted to take a moment to point out the tablet. You're gonna have one in here and one in the other bedroom as well. But this replaces the hotel guide. So essentially, you can get all the access about times, things that they're open, maybe spa information or dining times or menus. But what I love this for is you can actually order your room service right on here, and you even press a button and let them know when you're done, and they'll come and get it from you. So continuing through the bedroom space, you have your large flat panel TV. You do have your bag over here. It's a great beach bag, a complimentary gift for being in preferred club, and then more storage underneath. You're gonna have another mini fridge right there, just so you can have those extra stocked. So the storage for this room is just over here. On this side, you're gonna see you have you have storage that goes up and down, shelves, and then more up above. You're also gonna have a golf umbrella in there. And then on this side, you're gonna have your robes and slippers. They do nightly turn down service here, so of course they're gonna put those right next to the bed for you in the evenings, and you've got more hanging storage here as well. So now we're headed into the bathroom. So one thing that I do like about this is that you do have a door that shuts off. At a lot of adults-only resorts, you don't necessarily have those kind of spaces. You've got your towel rack right here with extra towels, your magnifying mirror right there, and this is your single vanity in here. Perfect for that. You've got your scale underneath, your hair dryer, toilets just over here, and this is your shower. So you have a large rainforest shower head up above. You also have a second shower head right here, and I do like that they have separate controls for you. So I did want to point out that the door to the second bedroom does close completely, and now we're gonna head back through the living and dining room area to the master bedroom. Once again, you've got a door right here. It does shut, and so this is a great option when you want that extra level of privacy between guests. Now you can see that we're in the master bedroom. You've got a large king-size bed. You've got the light switches on the side of the bed there. You're also gonna have the one plug in the lamp. Right here, you've got a nice lounge chair, and then continuing on, you've got more storage underneath, a separate writing desk just like in the other room, and your large flat panel TV. So between the three, you're gonna have three separate televisions. Continuing on to the other side of the bed, you've got one more plug over here. You've got that tablet once again, and because this is preferred club, you can even use it to order from the pillow menu. Right, so you have essentially the same exact storage on this side as you did on the other. You've got your separate robe and slippers here, and then right here, you're gonna have hanging storage. You also have shelves up and down, drawers down below, and your safe. So follow me into the bathroom. This is an open bathroom, which it helps to take advantage of the views. So right here, you have a really large soaking tub. That's one of those amenities that your butler can assist you with. But if you're sitting in this soaking tub here, you can actually look and see the beautiful views outside. Continuing on in, you've got your toilet right here to the left. You've got your towel rack right here once again. You have a second backlit magnifying mirror, once again that upgraded amenity kit, and a really large double vanity. Underneath, you've got your scale, once again, more towels, and I also wanted to point out the signature incense that you always have at Secrets Resorts. Continuing through, you have your shower. Once again, a very large rainforest shower head up above. I love the ceiling height because it really adds to that experience. You've got your second shower head here, and then once again, the dual controls. So now we're headed out to the balcony. I just wanted to point out that these doors do open up quite a bit, and then the doors from the living room and the other bedroom do as well, so you can get that great indoor-outdoor flow. Over here to my left, you have a small love seat. You're gonna have another chair right here with a table. You've got another identical setting here and on the far side as well. I did want to mention that the master suites and then also the presidential suites have much larger balconies if that's something that makes a big difference to you. Now this is a preferred club room. I mentioned that inside, but I wanted to point out that there's some amenities here that make it really, really special. I think the biggest one is actually the incredible rooftop pool. It's just for preferred club guests. Make sure you check out our full resort tour because we cover every single space in the resort and you can see what that's all about. But in addition to that, you're gonna bypass the normal check-in. You're gonna head right up to the 28th floor here and you're gonna check in with your butler. They'll take you directly to the room. And there's quite a few other preferred club amenities that you can take advantage of throughout your stay. But if you're in this suite category, you're automatically gonna get them. So when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any suite at Secrets or Dreams, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have a phenomenal relationship with them. And we know that without a doubt, we can plan the vacation of a lifetime for you and your friends at an incredible value.